Um, this is my first time doing this actually, because these past few weeks things are been very difficult to me, because I'm thinking of a lot that are not probably not happening, but they have the possibility of happening. So I'm overthinking, and I'm thinking that I will be a failure. And as for me, who is working hard to be successful for myself and for my family, it's really hard. Every day I get up in bed with a heavy heart. Sometimes I ask, what went wrong? What I have done that my plan is not working out? I'm thinking many ways on how I will catch up on that plan, making sure that it will work out one day, maybe tomorrow, the next day, next month. But because I have a deadline, so it's like every day it seems like a torture to me. I'm having this anxiety. What if I I will eventually fail? A lot of bad things in my mind are running, so I cannot understand fully actually what and why is this happening to me. I'm too afraid to fail. I'm so afraid to fail actually. I'm thinking what other people will say. I'm ashamed because the plan that I set for myself will not work out, because you don't know how you will carry through your everyday, how you will get out on that on this situation. How will you be happy? How can you overcome the sadness? How will you survive? Because every day it feels like rejection after rejection. You're always trying, but it's not enough. You're like, you want to grasp it. The more you grasp on it, the more it was like you can't hold it. The more it will lose in your hand. So, so you're thinking, you will gonna do? Should I just give up, or just still cling on that inch of hope that it's not too early to give up yet? Some or all of us are celebrating success, but no one celebrates failure. And I'm sure many of you have been through this situation, but they are too afraid to talk it with others, because maybe their their own self don't want to experience it. They desperately want to get out on that situation. We all know that it will all be over, that things will get better in the end. But what I'm trying to say is the moment, the present, the moment that you are experiencing the sadness, your your grief, the confusion, your lack of focus, because there's too many negative thoughts on your head, and maybe nobody wants to talk about this because they don't want others to know that they have been in that situation, that it's not a good thing to tell people about. How can you cope up with that situation? Sometimes you're so full of hope that you will survive it, but there are days when you feel so down and hopeless that you can't take it anymore. Sometimes can ever think is you, you'll just die so that the pain will stop, so that the sadness will stop, so that you won't have to face the rejection, so that you will not feel the pain anymore. So tell me, what's the best thing to get out of this situation? Because it's too much, too much, too much to bear.